Hey, it's high time for a high rise in Houston, Texas. Look at this beautiful apartment. This is perfect. Look at this kitchen. It is fun. It's a delight to see. It's got these perfect appliances. They're gorgeous stainless steel and gas stove and this perfect backsplash. It's so fun. And then a very nice white quartz countertops. This is the look. This is the look that you want. And that look continues on into the island. The island's perfect. It's really big. It's going to be a lot of fun having people over here into your beautiful Houston high-rise luxury apartment. It doesn't stop with the kitchen. We keep going and we look out and we see a gorgeous living room. It feels like just a delight. The wall and the room have so much space and so much character. I love the inset ceilings that are here, and then just all the fun you can have, like these pictures that are on the wall. This is so fun. And then you've got plenty of space to put the couch and anything else, TV stands, buffets, whatever you want in here. You're always going to have great windows, and those windows are going to overlook this fantastic area, the memorial area. This is a super area. Hey, what do you think about this? This is actually a one-bedroom apartment with a small study, and we're going to see the study in a detailed video coming up next. But what do you think about this? Send me a text. My number is below. I want to know your opinion, and I'd like to know, just introduce yourself and say hi. I'm looking for a perfect apartment in Houston. I like what I'm seeing. It makes me feel good inside, and I'd like to just meet you and get your help to find my perfect apartment in the Houston area. I'll reach back out with a really nice text, and that does go to my cell phone. It doesn't go to AI. It just goes straight to my phone, and we'll just chat about the area and chat about finding what would be the perfect place for you. So reach out using that number below. It's my cell phone. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can get more and more of this content. We have so much coming out. You'll be able to be notified first when it comes out. It's going to be great. You'll love it. And you'll be seeing it often because we post all the time. Okay, we've got another video shoot in here, and let's take a look at it. It's going to cover more of the details in here. So let's take a look at that right now.